So here's the app called the Arcana, a Mystic Romance. So it seems this is the app built by the same developers as Dorian. So this is kind of role-playing app. You're about to enter the world of Vesuvius, a most captivating visual novel full of mystery and romance. So there is a Arcana story. You can meet the characters and then just how to play. As you can play up to 21 unique episodes taken from the 21 major Arcana tarot cards created for all. And then, yeah, you can just install it. So let's just take a look. And then, yeah, you can then just have it, just the app like that. You can place a guest or you can create an account. And here's how it looks like. You just have your account and you just have then prologue and you start the story. You just select your name, your pronouns, and you start the role play. You will see the different actors in here, and then you can you can just make different choices, and depending on that your game will evolve. So that's the idea. So basically, yeah, you just go and start role playing in here, but I think this is just one game. If you want to have multiple games, there is an app from them. It's called Dorian Interactive Dramas Hub. So in here, you just have a lot of different dramas. So yeah, that's the idea.